Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take all this plumbing apart and get rid of it. So it's always a good idea to have some Sharkbite caps on hand. This will allow you to be able to turn the water on really quickly to the rest of the home when you're disconnecting it for any plumbing situation. So I'm just going to use my little Autocut tool here because this is kind of in a tight spot, and I'm going to cut my piping back here, and this will eliminate all the plumbing to my bathroom. Okay, so you want to sand this up a little bit. This little sanding tool is really great for this. This is a deburring tool. This is important to make sure that there isn't any copper burrs from cutting the pipe. So you put this on here, and you also mark the depth. So it not only deburrs it, but allows you to put a little indicator for where to mark this. And it's just as a matter of pushing this on and then making sure it goes to your location. Okay, so that goes up to my mark. We're good to go. So now I can get the water back on the home, and then we can work on our bathroom.